In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create folder on your phone. How to create a folder on your phone. So when you want to create a folder, that means you want to give access to some apps very quickly. Just go to your apps. Once you go to your apps, okay, for example, I want to use this Benin. I'll just click on next, send the desktop. You can say my calculator, send the desktop, my calendar, send the desktop. Now go back to your desktop. You're going to see this is the three that I just sent. Now just click on this. You can see office down here. Click on it, put it inside it, click on it, put it inside it, sorry, drag it like this, and put it here. Now I want to name the folder. Just click here and name your folder like quick access, or anything. Just write it, and as I see it, we see it now. Now this is my quick access. Once I want to need anything later, the apps that I use daily and every day, and I don't really want to stress myself in just scrolling and be looking for it. Just you can just drag them aside touching and put it in one place and just rename the folder, and this is it. Just click on it and you automatically, you can add, you can remove, you can do anything here, and you do not need to stress yourself in going to all your apps on your phone before you get to access to the apps that you use daily. It is very good. So you can say just add and remove. If you want to remove, just click on it, then you click on remove. If you want to add, click on add, and it's going to take you to all your files. Just click on, for example, sender. Now click on sender, just click on it, click on OK, and you can see it has automatically out to your folder. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.